Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to prepare your iPhone for trade-in so you can safely remove your personal information and get your device ready for its next owner. So, let's get started. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, tap on your Apple account at the very top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple account page where you can manage your iCloud settings, devices, subscriptions, and other Apple services. Now, scroll down and tap on Find My. Then, tap on Find My iPhone at the top of the screen. Here, turn off the toggle next to Find My iPhone. You may be asked to enter your Apple ID password to confirm this change. Enter your password and tap Turn Off. Disabling Find My iPhone is an important step because it removes activation lock and allows the next owner to activate the device. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the DelphStack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful iPhone tutorials like this. After turning off Find My iPhone, return to the main Apple account page. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Sign Out. Once you begin the sign out process, you may see an option to erase the iPhone. Select Erase this iPhone to remove your Apple account, apps, settings, and personal data from the device. Follow the on-screen instructions and tap Continue when prompted. Your iPhone will begin the erase process and restore itself to factory settings. When the process is complete, the iPhone will restart and display the initial setup screen, indicating that it is ready for trade-in, sale, or transfer to a new owner. That's it. You have successfully learned how to prepare your iPhone for trade-in. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.